Welcome boys, student of class 7. Today, welcome to my virtual class, obviously. Today, we start a new topic, factorization. Chapter 19, most probably in your board book, chapter 19, factorization. We have already learned the algebraic formula, a plus b whole square formula, a minus b whole square formula, a square minus b square formula. These are also known to all of us now. Algebraic formula already we know, and a square minus b square is also known. This is a plus b into a minus b. These all formula known to all of us now. Now factorization is the new topic. What is factorization? It is also factors and multiples, also known to all of you now. Factors and multiples in arithmetic, like that. If we take a number, say 15, 15 can be written as 3 into 5. 3 into 5, that is 15. Or 15 can be written as 1 into 15. These are also. In arithmetic, we are not familiar with the factors. Prime factors also. 3 and 5 are prime factors. Similarly, if we take 20, any number, 20 can be written as 20 into 1, 10 into 2, 5 into 4, 5 into 2 into 2, in this way. So, factors of 20, 2 is a factors of 20, 10 is factors of 20, 20 is factors of 20, 5 is factor of 20, 4 is factor of 20, 2 is factor of 20. So, 5 factors are known to all of us. But in algebra, so what is factorization? It is very important topic in algebra to resolve an expression into factors. It is very important topic. Okay. And the idea of factors in algebra is similar to that in the arithmetic also. For example, we have written this for algebra. What is the addition? Suppose a into b, any three numbers, a into b into, say, suppose this is x. So factors of x is abc. The expression abc are called the factors of x. Therefore, the factorization of the expression x of three factors a, b and c. Obviously, you remember it. It is not the abc are the only factors of x. If x can be breaking in these three prime factors a, b and c, then the factors are 8, which are, if we take a is a factor, b is a factor, c is a factor. A into b is a factor, a and c is a factor, b and c is a factor, as well as a, b, c is a factor, and 1 is also a factor. So factors, if x is equal to a into b into c, so there are 8 factors also. But roughly speaking, we can say the factors of x is abc. Factors of x is abc. Okay. So in algebra, we factor factors any algebraic expression very easily. There are so many methods to find the factor. But in our syllabus, in class 7, very easily sums for factorization. For example, if we take this number, say resolve into factors is 25xy. First, 25xy resolve into factor. So 25 factors of 25 is nothing but 5 into 5, and these are in product form. So we write 5 into 5 x into 1. These are the factors. Very easy. and we already learned about that. If we take another example, like that, another one, say 15x minus 12y, we are going to factor this. So 15 means 3 into 5 and 12 is 3 into 4. 15 is 3 into 5 and 12 is 3 into 4. So which are the common factor? Common to both the numbers, which are common? This can be written as 5 into 3x, this is 4 into 3y. So common term is 3x. So take common 3. Then you get how much? 5 into x, 4 into y. These are in factor form. Just take common. So first with the help of the common factors, factorization by selection of common factors. Okay, these are the main common factors. Another one example of this type, just take common. So if we take this one, another example, say 3x square plus 6x also, 3x square plus 6x. This also can be factorized by selection of common factors. Again, 3x square, 3 into x into x. 6, that means 3 into 2 into x. So which are the common? 3 is common to both the factors and x is common to both the factors. So if we take common 3 into x, that is 3 into x means nothing but 3x. 3 into x, nothing but 3x. So 3x common from this is x, and from this one 3 common, so remaining term is 2. So this can be in factorization form 3x and x plus 2. 3x and x plus 2 is the common of the factors. Again, this can be written, the question be given to you in another way. If suppose the area of a rectangle is given by 3x square plus 6x. 3x square plus 6x. Area of a rectangle is given 3x square plus 6x, square unit obviously. Find the possible length and breadth. Find the possible length and breadth. I repeat again, possible length and breadth. So, area of rectangle is given by, you already know, area of rectangle is length into breadth. Area of rectangle is nothing but length into breadth. So, this can be first, like exactly as before, find the factors of this. After factorization, we get 3x into x plus 2. So, possible length and breadth, product length into breadth is the area. We know this is length into breadth is the area of rectangle. So, suppose this is the length and this is the breadth, or in vice versa. Suppose this is length, this is breadth. It is the one of the length, one of the pair of length and breadth. It can be written in this way also. So, first we use factors by the selection of common terms. In the first exercise, this is also only, these are common terms also. In the second exercise, we use the formula, factorization with the help of the formula of square of binomial, that means formula of a square minus b square. This can be in the next. First we study about just common factor, factorization using the common terms by taking the common term. Okay. So we start this one. 19 exercise. So do it it ourselves. 19.2 in page number 224. Let us factorize. This is 19 point. Do it ourselves. 19.2. Problem number 1 is 2 plus 14x. 2 plus 14 means 2 into 7 into x. So 2 is the common term. So 2 is common. We get 1 plus 7x. This is the factorization. Oh. Next 4. 1 4. 1 4 is 3a square. 3a square minus 12a. 3a square is 3a into a minus 12 means 3 into 4, that is 12. 3 into 4, that is 12 into a. So 3 is common to the both. 3 is common to the both. So we take common 3, and 1a is also common. So a is common to the both. So a is common. So 3a is common. From this term we get a, and from this term we get 4. So 3a into a minus 4 is the answer. 3a into a minus 4 is the answer. Next, question number 2. Let us find the common factors of the following algebraic expression. Let us find the common factors of the following algebraic expression. 3, 2, 1 say first this. 6 say first expression. First expression is 6a, and the second expression is 2a square. 6a can be written as 2 into 3 into a, and this can be written as 2 into a into a. So which are the common? 2 is common to the both, and a is common to the both. Therefore, the common factor two and a, or 2a. Common factor is 2a. 2 and a. If we write in product form, then it is written as 2a. So very simple. Next, we go to the next exercise, next worked out example. Let's do ourselves 19.3. Question number 1. xy plus y plus 3x plus 3. How we solve this? From first two term, there is any common term? Is there any common term? xy and plus y. Very easy. Y is the common term. So from first two term, we take y common. In the remaining, this is x, and from this is 1. Y means 1 into 1. 1 into y, that means if we take y common, then it is x plus 1. From these two, any common term? Very easy. Again, this is 3 is the common, so take 3 common, the remaining x plus 1. Now what happened? In this first term, y into x plus 1, and the second term, 3 into x plus 1. So, is there any common term? Yes or no? Yes. Which is the common? X plus 1 is the common. So, if we take common x plus 1 from both, it is x plus 1, and the remaining from here it is y, and from here it is 3. So, it is plus, we take plus. So, resolve into factors. Let us factorize of the following all, resolve into factors. Therefore, required factors is x plus 1 into y plus 3. X plus 1 into y plus 3. Next, sum number 2. PQ minus Q, P into Q minus Q plus twice P minus 2. Exactly as before. From first two terms, is there any common term? Q is the common, so take Q common. Then the remaining from this one is P, from this one is 1, it is minus, so we write minus. And from these two, the common term is 2. Common term is 2. So 2 is common. Take 2 common, then the remaining term P, it is minus, in outside it is plus. And we know that plus into minus is minus. Plus into minus is minus. Minus into minus is plus. Minus into plus is minus into plus is minus. So plus into minus, that is, so it will be P minus 1. Again, P minus 1 and P minus 1 is common to the both. From here also P minus 1 and this is also P minus 1. Take common P minus 1 from both. Then you take P minus 1 is common. The remaining is Q plus 2. This is the answer. That means resolving two factors, this is nothing but expressed in the product form. Expressed in the product form. Then you get resolving two factors very easily. Next, question number 3. 6xy plus 3y plus 4x plus 2. 6xy plus 3y plus 4x plus 2. Now from the first two terms, 6 is nothing but 2 into 3, and it is also 3. So 3 is one of the common term, and y in the both the cases. So y is again the common term. So take common 3 into y. First we take common from first two, 3y is common. Then from this it is 2x and 3y is common, so it is plus 1. So if we take 3y common, then you get 2x plus 1. Is it clear? Next, from these two, 4 means 2 into 2. So 2 is the common term, and here is x, it is no x here, so x is not common term, only 2 is the common term. Now if we take common 2 from these two, then you get it is 2x plus 1. 2x plus 1. Now we see that 2x plus 1 is common to the both the term. It is 2x plus 1 and it is written in product form. 3y into 2x plus 1, 2 into 2x plus 1. So if we take common 2x plus 1, then no problem at all. So take common 2x plus 1. Then the remaining is from 3y the first term and 2 from the second term. This is the answer. For checking, you may multiplying these two. Multiplication of algebraic expression we have already done previous. If we multiplying these two, you get this expression. That means factor is nothing but product right into product form. So very easy. Now question number 4 as your class work. Question number 4 of this exercise as your class work. Try to solve and send it to me. 10xy plus 2y plus 5x plus 1. This is class work. Okay. After watching this video, you may send it to me. First one, 10xy plus 2y plus 5x plus 1. Okay. Yeah. Next, exercise 19.1, question number 4.1. 5 plus resolve into factors 5 plus 10x. 10 means this is 5 into 2 into x. So 5 is common, so this is 1 plus 2x is the answer. Next, question number 4. 18xy minus 21xz. The common factor of 18 and 21. First we find the common factor of 18 and 21. 18 and 21. 21 means 3 into 7. These two are prime factors. and 18 is also multiple of 3. So 18 3 into 6 xy given same, and this is 3 into 7 x into z. So common is 3 is the common to the both, and other the common term is which one? X. X is the common to the both. X is common to both. X is common. X. Here is x, here is x. So 3x is common to the both. Therefore the remaining term from the first expression, not expression, sorry. 3x is common, 6 and y. So 6y. In the second one, 7x already common, and this is z. So 3x into 6y minus 7z. 6y minus 7z. This is the answer. This is answer. Okay. Next, which one? Say 6. 4, 6. 7xyz. 7xyz minus 6xy. Other than 1, there is no common factor between 7 and 6. Other than 1, since 6 and 7 are trying to each other. So 7 and 6, so no common term. From the first term, x is common to the both. So the common term is x only. From first one, 7 into, y is also common. X and y both are common. So y is also common. Take common x into y. From the first one, xy is common. So 7 remains same. 7 into z. And from this is 6. This is the answer. xy into 7z minus 6. Next, which one? Say 7. Problem number 7. 7 square plus 14a. 14 is the multiple of 7, obviously. So 14 means 2 into 7. 2 into 7, that is, if we take common 7 from these two, no problem at all. And this is a square and this is a. So a is common to the both also. So from first one it is a, and from the second one it is 2. A is common. 7 into 2, that is 14. 7a into a plus 2. This is the answer. Next, 13. 13, it is x square y z plus x y square z plus x y z square. Okay, x square y z plus x y square z plus x y z square. Here is 3 terms, not 4, like that previous problems. 3 terms. So first, which are the common terms? Take this. Here is x square, y into z present. Here is x is also present, y square present, and z is also present. This is x present, y present, and z square present. So if we take common x, y, z is common. X square is nothing but x into x. So if we take one x common, then the remaining is ax. And y z take common. So from the second one, x and z are common. Y square is nothing but y into y. So 1y is common. So 1y is remaining. And from this, x and y is also common. Z square means like previous, z into z. If we take one z common, then the other is z also. So xyz into x plus y plus z. xyz into x plus y plus z. Next, 14. Question number 14. A cube minus a square plus a. A cube is nothing but a into a into a. A square means a into a plus a. So 1a is common to all these three. So a common. Then the other terms from this is a into a, that means a square. This is minus a. This is plus 1. So a is only common factors. So if we take a common, a into a square minus a plus 1. This is the answer. Okay. Next, 15. So number 15, 415 obviously. 415. X square, y square, z square plus x square, y square. And third term is x square, y square, q square. X square, y square, q square. Okay. Like previous one, common is x square, x square, x square. So x square is common. Y square, y square, y square. So y square is also common. So only remaining term in the first one, z square. This is only 1. From this one, q square. So x square into y square and the remaining term z square plus q square plus 1, or it is you may write in this way also, x square y square z square plus q square plus 1 also. Okay, very easy. So your classwork again, I give you a classwork 9, 10, 12. Question number 9 is 6a square b, 6a square b plus 8ab square, 10, so number 10, 3a square minus ab square and 12, 60 axy cube plus 4xy minus 8. 6a square b plus 8ab square. Sum number 10, 3a square minus ab square and 12, 60 x y cube plus 4xy minus 8. Okay, and let us find the common factors of the following algebraic expression. 2, question number 2, 6, 2, 6 and 7 also. 18x square, 27x cube minus 45x and 7, 2, 7, 5 mn, 6 l square, it is not 1, it is l square, and 7 l cube m square, l cube m square. So exercise 19.1, exercise 19.1, page number 225, 225 in your notebook. Do it now and send it to me in my WhatsApp. This is your class work. Okay, and already given previous one problem, another one. These problems are, do it now and send it to me. Clear? Okay.